Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today in this video I will show you the easiest method to enable 90 fps BGMI gameplay on this Poco F3 GT. So guys, as you all know, there is no official 90 fps update for BGMI in this Poco F3 GT. So today in this video we are going to enable the 90 fps by using the configuration file. The configuration file link will be given in the description. You can download it from there. Now without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So guys, if I go to BGMI, then setting, then if I go to graphics option, you can see this device supports the max graphics setting up to smooth plus extreme, and the max frame rate it supports is extreme. That means we can get a 60 fps gameplay from this BGMI on this device. We don't have that 90 fps option available at all for this device. Now let's see how can we enable that 90 fps option available for this device using that config file. So guys, before you enable that 90 fps option in this Poco F3 GT, you need a third-party file explorer app. For example, I am using this CX file explorer, or else you will get lots of file explorer app in the Play Store. You can check it out. I am using this CX file explorer because this is ad free. That is why I am using that. If you search directly file explorer, you will get tons of apps in the Play Store. Once you install the file explorer app, download the 90 fps config file from the description, and that's it guys. These two things you need to enable the 90 fps option in this device. So once everything is set, you install the file explorer app, and if you have downloaded the config file, then go to your file explorer app. In my case it is the CX file explorer. Then go to your downloads folder. Whatever config file you have downloaded, that will be in the download folder. Just go inside the download folder and you will find that config file with the extension PAK. Now long press on that file, then tap on copy. Then once you tap on copy, go to your home of the file explorer, then go to your main storage, then tap on the Android folder. Once you go inside Android, you will find a folder called data. Just tap on it, then search for the PUBG folder. And if you see, the PUBG folder name will be something like com.pubg.imobile. So tap on it, then go to file, then again tap on UE4 game folder, then you will see shadow tracker. Just go inside that. Again you will see shadow tracker. Just tap on it and you will see saved. Go inside that, then you will see this folder called tags. Just tap on it, and that's it guys. Here in this folder you have to paste it as I pasted here. So that's it guys, our 90 fps option is now enabled. Now let's see by going in our game whether the 90 fps option is enabled in BGMI or not. Let's open BGMI. So guys, BGMI is loaded. Now if I go to my setting and then graphics, let me go to my setting and graphics. You can see the 90 fps option is now enabled for this Poco F3 GT. So earlier the graphics option was smooth plus extreme, and after extreme we did not have any options. Now if you see, I have another new option for 90 fps. In this way you can also enable the 90 fps option for your Poco F3 GT guys. This is the easiest and simplest way you can follow, and you can enable the 90 fps. I think everyone can enable by following these steps mentioned in this video. You will get the 90 fps option for balanced, then for HD. Even you will get the 90 fps option for HDR option also. So guys, try it yourself on your Poco F3 GT for BGMI, and let me know if you are facing any problem or if you have any doubt in the comment section below, and I will definitely help you. So now as the 90 fps option is enabled for my Poco F3 GT, let me play a BGMI game and I will tell you whether this device is able to maintain a 90 fps or not. So guys, I played a TDM match with smooth plus 90 fps, and as you can see, this is the screen recording, and I have recorded the gameplay. And if you see the frame rate using that game turbo mode, and this device was able to maintain a 90 fps constantly, and I did not have any issue. And even the gameplay was buttery smooth without any issue. So that's it guys for today's video, how to enable the 90 fps option in this Poco F3 GT. Hope this video is helpful. If so, please give a like and subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button below, and show your support for this small tech channel guys for more content like this. If you have any question or doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below or in my Instagram. I will definitely answer your queries. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I will see you in the next one.